Class 10 is not used to saying good morning even. I think some are still not paying attention. Good morning, children. Good morning. Yeah, better. It is better. Good morning. What a lovely morning. I think it was a surprise for class 10. You were expecting that you will be called for the assembly? No, you were not expecting. I know this because after midterm exam, I think the thing that is ingrained in the mind of all the teachers as well as students that now focus is back on academics and we will always be studying. It's good, but I think it was a good change. Do you agree? Assembly was beautiful and the topic also was very beautiful. I think apt for your age, apt for everybody. So digital citizenship, so beautifully put up by class 9A under supervision of class teacher Mr. Abhay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, class 9A. A big round of applause for putting up an informative assembly. It was so informative. I think everything they included in this. When we talk about digital citizenship, our country is number 1 right now. I hope you will all agree. Do you agree? Yeah, if you see any rickshawala, you see anybody, all are having mobile in their hand. When I visited US recently, I was on leave there. I took leave from school and I was there. And I noticed one thing, the way our people are smart in doing at least online payments and whenever any shopping is to be done. So the convenience that our country has provided to each and every person, whether it is rickshawala, auto-wala or taxi-wala or a small golgappa-wala, whosoever is sitting, they are all sitting with that code and we can immediately make the payments. I didn't see this in US even. Do you know? So big round of applause to all the scientists and the country that is making progress. But at the same time, I am very sad when I get to know, when I heard this story that people in India, not all, not everybody, but some people in India are sitting here and misusing technology also. So cyber crimes, cyber frauds, that is not only happening in India, but it is happening all world over. I'm not saying that Indian people are doing or anybody is doing, but this is a world over problem. So that is why whenever we are online, so we have to be very, very careful. Now, I hope you are reading newspaper every day. So who are the targets? I would like to ask the audience, who are the targets for financial crimes online? Who are the targets? Yes? Elderly people all over the world actually, not only in India, everywhere. So this is a lesson for the young people. One thing that you have to do, I will talk to you. One thing that you have to do is your elders, whosoever are there at home, your parents, your grandparents, please guide them that how they have to use mobile, how they have to handle the information that is given to you via mobiles. Because they do not know, what they do, accidentally they just click on a link. And they do not know that by clicking on that link they can be in trouble. Even sometimes young children are also not aware, so you can be part of any cyberbullying or maybe online financial crimes are also taken place via this route. So please guide your parents, share your knowledge with them, and on the other hand, when you are dealing with any digital media, be very, very responsible. We can still see cases where you people are not using it sensibly and you are still making those memes. We had talked about it a lot. You are using abusive words, you are playing online games where you are not careful what you are talking about, what you are posting. So this is what children also mentioned here, that you leave your digital footprints. You can be in trouble because of this. And you are wasting your time when you are doing it, and side by side even your future can also be in trouble because of that. Okay, so I think we have to take a pledge today that we will be responsible digital citizens of tomorrow. Thank you so much. Thank you class 9. Yes, you want to say something? हाँ बताइए, कुछ कहना आपको? Huh? Okay, we will talk later. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of wisdom.
I would like to call upon Sudeshna ma'am and Raina ma'am to distribute the medals to our students. Second speaker, class 8. Who won 2 gold and 1 silver medal in SGFI state. One gold and 1 silver in Khedawada, Punjab, the swimming district level. He also won 3 silvers in inter-school district swimming.
Now, I would like to invite the students whose birthday fall in this week.
Birthday, if it is in this week or next week, you're most welcome to join sir and ma'am. So, sir, when is your birthday? Okay. Sir is celebrating it every day. Yes, good. Thank you, Shorin. Thank you. Shona, when is your birthday? 20th September. Okay, happy birthday. And now, please, ma'am,